everybody, hope you can hear me. Welcome to another trip on the Skidoo. It's a beautiful day, Sunday afternoon, early February. It's about 5 below, the sun's shining. We're out for a little Sunday afternoon drive. We're in Glencoe right now. We're trying a trail new to me in the winter. I've done this in the four-wheeler but not in the Skidoo. It's going to the top of a mountain, or a hill you'd call it, where there was a clear cut about 5 years ago. One thing about clear cutting, it's not good for the woods, but boy, you can have some nice views from the top. And a fellow we knew just built a camp up there this year, so we'll go take a look at that too. The main trail, the groomed trail, we didn't end up going to the top. We cut off before we went to the top of that mountain. We'll do that another day. Guy I know named Raymond McNaughton owns this camp. It's one of the few camps you'll see right on the main trail. These are the groomed trails, but they're very rough. On a Sunday afternoon, there's not many skidooers out, which is what we like. But they've been skidooing all Friday night and Saturday, and so the trails are pretty bumpy. Towards Mann's Mountain. We've gone through Glencoe, we're in Glen Levitt. This trail will go right up to Mann's Mountain. We call it the Mann's Mountain Run. Now there would be the trail going up to the top of the mountain that I was talking about, where the clear cut is. The place over there is owned by Greg Dion. He keeps horses there. Interesting that my brother Robin and Kathy used to have their horses board there. Now their horses are down in Nakawik. Now we're going through a, I don't know what you call it, a gravel pit or a junkyard, or the trail goes right through the middle of it. Kind of interesting. It's old junk tractors and machinery. Out here, we're going to come out on the road. We have to go up it's called the Baseline Road, just for a little bit to catch the rest of the trail. There's not much traffic on it. It's just an old trail, an old road. This is more the gravel pit here. ways off the pavement. It's not good for them to be running on the pavement. This isn't bad. It's going up the hill up there, and that little trail goes up to the, comes down by the Glenlevitt rink. Done that a few times. I have to say, this is my favorite kind of skidooing. Beautiful day, not too cold. We're on a groomed trail, but going through the woods, so we're just kind of meandering, going slow, not too fast. But it's on a nice wide trail, so there's no danger of getting stuck or tipping over. It's pretty nice.
I told you, if you scare me today, that's it.
It works against you.
So this is our common stopping area. Every time we come up to Mann's Mountain, we always stop here. That overlooking this gully down here. What's this place called again, Kevin?
Mann's Hole.
Mann's Hole. We don't know why it's called that. Do you know the story? So we're at Mann's Hole. So Kevin, what was the story again in this here? If you don't stop here.
The lore, according to Danny Farrar, if you don't stop here and have a drink, you'll have bad luck the rest of the trip.
So we don't want
any. Very unlucky to drive by here without having a drink.
Kevin's having his tea, Pam's having her hot chocolate, and we're having one of Carmen's. Do you make those, Carmen?
Old-fashioned molasses cookies.
Do you make those, Kevin?
Carmen.
Logging camp recipe.
Those are logging cookies. Logging camp cookies.
So how am I getting sound when I'm driving the skidoo? Here's how I do it. So my setup is this. I have the skidoo helmet. I've always had my GoPro camera sitting on top of the helmet, like that. Looks kind of funny. I don't care. Some people have them on the sides. Some people put them on the chin, like that. Mine sits on top, but you could only hear the sound of the skidoo. You couldn't hear a person talking while they're driving the skidoo. So what I had to do was buy an external microphone. First I had to buy an adapter. My old GoPro 8 doesn't take an external microphone. Then I had to buy a case, a new case to go around the GoPro to fit the adapter in. Now I can take an external mic to put on it. I can take a mic like one of these, a shotgun mic, but that didn't help me. So I had to go to the Purple Panda lav mic, so that's called a lavalier mic, which is a cord, about a 12-foot cord. So what I did was this. GoPro sits on top of the helmet. There's a little wire. I just taped it to the back of the helmet, ran it down, in underneath, inside the helmet, ran all underneath the padding. When I open it up, way inside here, there's a little mic just inside the ear flap. So that's what I use to talk while I'm driving on the skidoo. What a great day. Beautiful weather, great conditions. Even though there's been very little snow this year, the trails were great. I went to some places I hadn't been to before, a few trails on. Met some nice people. Had a great day. Anyway, thanks for joining us. We're going to head inside and see if my microphone system worked. That was kind of a test today, see how it went. So, again, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.